While international migration has increased greatly in recent decades, populist backlash against migration has also been on the rise, leading some nations to seek to limit migration. So how are skilled migrants affected by these changing national rules and sentiments? By studying the 2016 Brexit referendum in the UK, scholars found that anti-immigration movements can impact highly skilled self-initiated expatriates, or SIEs, in profound ways. SIEs tend to be highly skilled. They move to other countries seeking work or education. Unlike other migrants, they typically plan on temporary stays rather than permanent migration. When Brexit hit, UK-based SIEs from EU countries reacted in various ways. While some decamped to more welcoming countries or otherwise distanced themselves from the UK, others adopted various coping mechanisms in their professional and private lives. Others still did not seem to be affected at all. Trying to make some sense of these very different reactions, researchers identified two key drivers for SIEs: their identification with the UK prior to the referendum and their perceived mobility. SIEs who had come to identify with the UK pre-Brexit tended to perceive the vote as an identity threat. These individuals had strongly negative reactions, with many leaving the UK literally or figuratively, depending on their perceived mobility. Those identifying less with the UK had milder reactions and largely planned to stay put. Beyond providing insights for SIEs themselves, the paper also recommends how their employers might better handle SIEs in a context of increased backlash against immigration. Interested in how populist politics affects highly skilled migrants? If so, you should read this paper.